Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. I've just got a simple card for you. So the Tropical Leaf Bundle, it's new to me and it was an online exclusive that launched in March and I kind of forgot to remember to order anything from it. But it's really rather nice. It's quite simple. I kind of miss tropical chic as a stamp set, but I just wanted a simple hello card. And you know me, I'm a little bit contrary, and you know, I don't want to make my leaves green, so I made them moody mauve and grey granite, but I'm going to do a different one. So new, kind of new, go and look at the online exclusives, because when the retiring list comes to a close on the 1st of May, that's the last day that you'll be able to shop from it. Some things are going to move over into online exclusives, so go and check it out. Anyway, I'm taking my piece of cardstock, I'm cutting it in half and scoring it in half, and I've got my grid paper on my table today because I'm going to be stamping off my sheet of paper. So cut it in half, score it in half, and then because I am British and working metric, I'm trimming my cardstock down so that this is not very easy to see, but it's 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower than this base layer. If you work in Imperial, maybe make it 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch, but just a little layer. But yes, I'm going to be stamping off, so I've got my grid paper out today. I don't normally have this because my camera doesn't like it, but fingers crossed. Right, get my tropical leaves out. I'm going to get all of those out. I'm going to get my hello. I'm just going to recreate the one I've done, but different colours. So pick up on blocks. One of those. And one of those. The cold seems to be on its way out, we hope. It's been a lingerer. It's not been fun either. Okay, so I'm picking up my blocks. So basically that's the leaf and that's the veins. I don't know. Right, so the two colours, Pebbled Path and Bubble Bath. I didn't go for rhyming alliteration, I just liked them and I thought, let's see what happens. I don't know how dark Bubble Bath is going to come out. This is my first inking. Oh, that's quite fun. A little pale. Yeah, a little bit too pale, but let's not worry. And I'm just rotating round because I like the effect. Yeah, we'll go with that. And then I'm going to take the smaller one with Pebbled Path. Oh, this is the first time I'm opening this one. Let's see how dark that's going to be. Very dark. Okay, we're good with that. So, dark, light, lighter. Not super light. I wonder if I can get a 4th one out and a cat hair. For goodness sake. And then I'm going to have a dark one there. Right, and then I'm going to put these veins in. So I want the big one. That shows up well. Oops. Try and line it up better than I've done. Okay, and then to finish, I'm going to come back in with Pebbled Path again, and 2 of those. Oh, you really can't see that one. You'll see it when I punch it. Okay. And then I'm going to punch them out. And with my bit on the end, I'm actually going to go with a pebbled path for the hello. I'm going to flagtail. Oopsie. Ow. Oh, that was my finger. Flagtail that, and then what ribbon have I got? Ooh. Oh, I've got pebbled path ribbon. Okay. So I'm putting some tape on there. Not tape, it's not tape at all, it is seal. Back and forth, and then I want some little snips. Just to trim off. Oh, those are rubbish snips. Okay, and let's get some dimensional backs and put the whole thing together. So, wandering grid paper. I'm not used to working with it anymore. Not filming with it. Oops, not with filming with it anyway. Don't put it down that way. And put my hello there. And just tuck that one under there a little. And those, I think they're rather fun. They're rather nice. There's more going on this one. I kind of think I prefer the paler one, actually. I don't know. So this one, Pebbled Path and Bubble Bath, Moody Mauve and Grey Granite. Just fun. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Oh, look at that, 7 minutes start to finish. I hope you like it. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.